Alright, 6.1, number 21. Instructions are to evaluate the integral. They were nice enough to give us a hint. So we're integrating cosine squared, and they tell us that cosine squared is this. This is called a power reduction formula. It is found on Carl. There aren't a lot of these problems this year that we do. Please focus. So the Calc BC this will become it will appear more often, but this year not as much. But we have integral of cosine squared. We can write it as 1 plus cosine of 2x over 2 dx. So that's just trig. We just rewrote cosine squared. And this 2 we can separate as 1/2 plus 1/2 of that. Or it might be better to just toss it out front and say it's 1/2 integral of 1 plus cosine of 2x dx. That's probably the easiest way. So now I have 1/2, and then the antiderivative of 1 is x. Antiderivative of cosine of 2x. So we could do a u substitution there. I know it's going to be sine of 2x. Do I multiply by 2 or multiply by 1/2? One-half, because you're integrating. It's kind of like dividing by. If you multiply by 2, if you're using the chain rule, integrating, we're going to divide by 2. So I'm going to say plus 1/2 sine of 2x plus c. So, I mean, we could distribute. So x over 2 plus sine of 2x over 4 plus c might be the best way. If you did not know that cosine 2x, is it multiply by 2 or divide by 2? The u substitution kind of takes care of that thinking. So your u is 2x, du dx is 2, so dx equals du over 2. So then writing it in terms of u, it's the cosine of u, dx is du over 2. So there's our dividing by 2. So it's the integral of cosine u, which is sine u, and u is 2x. Alright, so that's how we got 1/2 sine of 2x, kind of using the u substitution algorithm. But if you want to do that in your head, that's just fine too.